Okay, now we're going to take a look at a few examples in the homework for today. You were looking at exercise 331B and 332B. They're on page 23 of your homework book. So I'm just going to do the first four of each exercise. It'll be in two separate videos so that we have enough time to fit this in. First, number one, you are looking at the key of F. You start on an F, that is your figured bass. There's no notation above it, so you have a root position triad that would include F, A, and C. So this is just going to be notated F. That carries through the second one as well. Number two, you have a slashed 6 over the notes. So a /6 in that direction indicates the note should be raised by 1/2 step. This was originally a root position triad like this with B flat. So we're raising the 6th. We know we're going to raise that root position chord, and that's going to be inverted. So we'll take that B natural, move it up here. Again, that's how you know where that you have an inversion. That 6 notates that you are moving the bass note up. It remains the root, but it is sharped. So it's going to be a B natural here. You have D, F, and B natural. This is going to be a B diminished chord with D in the bass. Number three, you have a C in the bass. You have no figured bass notation up here, so you have a triad built on C. It is C, E, G. The quality of that would be a C major triad, so we're going to notate that with C, and that carries through to the next note as well. And finally, we have a 4/2 figured bass marking here, which means that we know we have a 7th chord. This would be in third inversion, so in root position, this would be C, E, G, B flat, which is a C7 chord. Now we know it's inverted. We know it's in third inversion, and we also know that that 7th chord stays to the left, so that's a B flat with a C, an E, and a G up top, so that is C7 with B flat in the bass. There are the first four for number one. Please make sure you're careful with all the notations, and you are recognizing that a chord like this, because it's got C, E, G, and B flat, is a C7 chord. If it were a B natural, it would be a C major 7 chord. So you just have to look and be very careful about the quality of all of these types of chords. Be careful of the diminished chords, be careful of the 7th chords, make sure you notate them as the right quality.